Dear students, welcome to virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 10th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, we are continuing with the same chapter, circles. I have already uploaded 3 videos. You will be watching that, and all 3 videos are important, and all 3 videos are having its own importance in the aspects of study of circle, and most of the things are related to understanding the properties of circle, that you should remember, because properties you should learn, and then you will go to the example, and then you will go to the exercise. That must be the order. Without understanding the properties, you cannot do anything, you cannot follow the things. So the properties are very important. So I am continuing with the further, and this video I will be using the textbook for explaining, and it's an experiment on my side. Why? Because मुझे ऐसा लगा आपके सामने हमेशा टेक्स्ट बुक रहता है, हमेशा मोबाइल या पीसी नहीं रहते हैं, और टेक्स्ट बुक में जो है वो आपको समझा के दिया, क्योंकि बहुत सारे इन्फॉर्मेशन है. अब बिफोर गोइंग टू द न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन, जो आपको अभी तक लास्ट वीडियो में जो दिया है वो मैं रिपीट करना चाहता हूँ. सो प्लीज़ बेयर विथ मी. दिस इज़ योर टेक्स्ट बुक पेज. आई विल लाइक टू make it little big for you so that you can see that. Okay, you can see the textbook here, and I will keep it straight for you. Okay, now this is the textbook page, and this is the information that you have. What is the information? You know that an angle whose vertex is in the center of the circle is called central angle. This you studied. Okay, and you also studied about what is the concept of measuring an arc. The arc is measured by measuring the central angle made by that arc. ये आपको लास्ट वीडियो में है, ये सब लास्ट वीडियो का है. When two arcs are of same radius and same measure, they are congruent. Two things are there, same radius and measure. That means central angle should be same. And if the arc is having a common, made in the common circle, and with common radius can be added and subtracted. So that is one point. And the chords of the same congruent circle are equally related. Arcs are congruent. When arcs are congruent, related chords are congruent. When chords are congruent, the arcs are also congruent. ये बोल के लास्ट वीडियो स्टॉप किया था. जिन्होंने इसके पहले के वीडियो नहीं देखा है वो देखना ज़रूरी है. उसके बिना आपको आगे का समझ में नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि एक प्रॉपर्टी के बाद दूसरा प्रॉपर्टी आता है, वो प्रॉपर्टी तीसरे में अप्लाई आता है. सो दिस आर ऑल कॉन्सेंट्रिक knowledge or syllabus that you should understand. Okay, and after having all this knowledge, you can attempt the exercise number 3.3, which will help you to refix. एक्सरसाइज किसके लिए? हमेशा अपना तबीयत अच्छा करने के लिए हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. जैसा ये एक्सरसाइज मैथ्स का तबीयत अच्छा करने के लिए, that you will do yourself, as I always say, without the help of guide, without the help of anybody. You will complete that so that you will be in a position to answer. So let me go to the new topic or new page of your textbook. As I told you, I am doing an experiment with your textbook page, whether I can explain everything through in this way. So the topic over here is about some activity given in the textbook. Let me show you what is the activity. That activity I will be trying to carry out in front of you instead of you, क्योंकि आपको करके दिखाना अच्छा होगा. Here is an activity which will help us to understand one of the important property of our circle. The activity is drawing a circle and drawing central angle, and also drawing the inscribed angle, and also measuring it one after another, which will help us to understand a very important property. So let me try to do that activity myself for you. आपके लिए मैं करता हूँ ताकि मालूम पड़ेगा ये एक्टिविटी का रिजल्ट क्या है. ये पेज को इधर रखता हूँ conveniently so that I can take it back जब भी चाहिए आपसे डिस्कस करने के लिए ले सकते हैं. लेट इट रिमेन हियर and you will be doing the getting the activity now. Let me see, in my own way I will be showing you the activity. चलो activity करने के लिए I need certain instruments from our geometry box or magic box. Compass is a must, and I need protractor. There's another instrument required. Protractor is a must, and I require scale also. So these things will be required. I am keeping it ready for my activity. Now the activity is something like this. I need to draw a circle first. I am drawing the circle here with the center here. Let me put the compass there. Expand the compass so that you can see the activity clearly after doing it. Let me draw a circle. A circle has been drawn with the center here. Let me name the center as C here, no problem. And now the chapter is mainly about arc here in this session. So we know that arc is a part of the circle, and we also know that arc may create a central angle, and we also know that there will be a chord related to it. All these things I am going to do here. Let me to take 2 points in order to mark the arc. I can change the color so that you can see it properly. Here I am marking the arc. Let the arc be A, B, and I am going to draw the sector, or what we say, according to the arc we need to have a sector here that will be drawn here, connecting these 2 points here. Okay, then this. Understood? So the arc has inscribed an angle into that, into the center, and I am also trying to draw some more. This one I am going to draw another angle from here, connecting to these points. Here it is. Now what I can draw is, these are the 2 things I would like to draw, and your textbook is having some other intention. Let me see. Here it is. So here the central angle has been drawn, which is a measure of the arc, and you are also drawing an angle over here. An angle can be drawn on the opposite side also. This is page number 64 of your textbook. Okay, let me keep it here somewhere. Let me go to the next page. Let me see whether the page number is right. 65. Okay, this is the next page where you can see that we will be measuring all those angles and writing those angles. Okay, and later we will be studying about, one is inscribed angle and in intercepting arc. All these things are coming to you. So before that, let me complete the activity. The activity is in such a way that now I will be drawing one more angle here. It is, there will be a connecting chord over here. Understood? And then I can further draw an angle here, anywhere, touching anywhere on the circle. These are the different angles. अभी एक्टिविटी है, हम लोग हम एक्टिविटी से सीखने जा रहे हैं ना. सो नेचुरली आई विल बी मेजरिंग ऑल दिस. मैं तो बिना मेजरमेंट कुछ काम किया था, तो अभी उसका मेजरमेंट करने जा रहा हूँ. दिस इज माई प्रोट्रैक्टर. प्रोट्रैक्टर को जरा बड़ा करता हूँ, आपको देख सकते हैं. यस, आई एम मेजरिंग इट. रफली मेड डायग्राम. थोड़ा कुछ मुझे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा मेजरमेंट की एक्यूरेसी के लिए. जो मिल रहा है आई विल बी राइटिंग दैट. चलो, द मेजरमेंट राइट फ्रॉम हियर 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 71 I would say. 70 plus 1, 71. So let me mark this as and write down 71 degree. थोड़ा वेरिएशन आप बाद में देखेंगे. I will go to the other angle constituted from the same arc here, the angle here. This angle I am going to measure. You will also do this activity yourself, taking time. Let me keep the protractor properly. Okay, you got the measurement. It is almost 35 and 36 के बीच में है. So naturally it is what we say 35.5 degree approximately. Now I have one more angle to measure. It is this angle. मुश्किल से measure कर रहा हूँ. You can also do all these things. I am measuring this angle. That angle is almost like this. You must understand that which angle I am measuring. Those who are not able to follow which angle I am measuring, you will come to know quickly. Okay, this angle I am measuring, the biggest angle. Okay, you got it as from starting from here 0, 100, 110, 100, and this is the angle. It is somewhat here. Yes. This is equal to this angle. I will mark here, then आपको समझ में आएगा. This angle I was measuring, and it is equal to 142 degree. This is the activity you have to do yourself, and there are certain conclusions which you can draw from this. What is that? This is 71. This is 35.5. This is 142. And the arc is ABC, AB. And this is the measure of the arc. Measure of the arc is equal to 71 degree. And this one, angle inscribed by the arc on the same segment, same side, which is equal to half of it. 35.5 is half. And this, the other segment, which is can be said as minor segment here, it is 142. So this is 71 upon 2, this is 71 into 2. This way the relationship between the measure of the arc or the central angle, angle inscribed on the same segment, and angle inscribed on the other segment. This relationship you should understand. Okay, this activity is very important. Lot of information. That means if you are considering chord in this case, or arc in this case, this relationship is same. Okay? Now suppose there is different situation to this. I will tell you a very interesting situation. If the circle is drawn here, if a circle is drawn here, bear with me, मैं हाथ से draw कर रहा हूँ circle को. And if I mark here, and this is the center, and this is the angle constituted by the arc, like this. The angle over here will be double of it, the angle over here will be half of it. This is one thing I understood. This is the angle. Comparing with the angle. And this is the arc. If this is taken the same way, inscribed angle will be this, inscribed on the same segment and opposite. Segment कैसे decide हो रहे हैं? Depending upon where the chord is. Which side of chord? The center here. This is what is the interesting part, which will be the major segment, where the center comes. That was given in the last video. So there is a relationship between all these angles. A, this will be 2A, this will be half A. This is inscribed angle on the same segment or the major segment, inscribed angle on the other side of the segment or in the minor segment, and the central angle constituted by the arc. So my dear students, ये relationship आपको अच्छा से समझना है. Another interesting thing, this is the circle, again मैं हाथ से draw कर रहा हूँ, and this is the center, and this is the diameter, and this is semicircle is the arc. This is the arc. तो उसका central angle ये क्या रहेगा? ये 180 रहेगा. तो inscribed angle on any side this will be 90 degree. तो इधर क्या रहेगा? वो भी 90 डिग्री रहेगा. तो ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल जैसा हो गया. क्वाड्रिलेटरल का ऑपोजिट 90 डिग्री है, तो रिमेनिंग टू ऑल्सो विल कॉन्स्टिट्यूट 90 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री या एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. टोटल भी 180 रिमेनिंग. सो सर्कल ऐसा छोटा चीज नहीं है, फुल ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज है. स्टार्टिंग में बताया था ज्योमेट्री का जियो से स्टार्ट कर रहे. वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ ज्योमेट्री इज सर्कल. चलो लेट अस चेक इनटू द टेक्स्ट बुक. टेक्स्ट बुक क्या बोलना चाहता है? For that I should remove this. Now I think you understood the relationship between these different angles. आप ड्रॉ करके एक्टिविटी करके अपने आप को उसमें इंटरेस्ट लेके अपने अंदर अच्छा से इसका रिकॉर्डिंग कर देंगे forever, because this is very important information. चलो थोड़ा टेक्स्ट बुक खोल के देखता हूँ, बिकॉज टेक्स्ट बुक खोल के देखना ज़रूरी है. Why? Because I should not go somewhere simply. So this is what was the one aspect which I had to tell you. The aspect is that when you draw diagram like this, here it is. This one is understood now thoroughly. We are the relationship between these two different angles. Here the angles are named as ADB, ACB, AEB. वो सब important नहीं है, relationship important है. Relationship हमको समझ में आया. Here the arc is AEB. This is the measure of the arc. Sorry. This is the measure of the arc. If it is A, this will be half A, this will be 2A. This is what you understood. Okay, my dear students. So please keep this in mind. We will go ahead. This is something which you already learned in the last class. Let us get into the textbook and know what more the textbook would like to highlight. Before that, let me remove this. Yes, and let us enlarge this textbook here so that we will come to know that what textbook wishes to tell us. Yes, it is given that these angles to be measured. We did that and we found that the relationship. Inscribed angle. This is the inscribed angle. This is the center. AQ is the arc. AQ is the arc, and this is the inscribed angle. And we know that if you find out the measure of the arc from here, whatever it may be, उसका हाफ रहेगा. इधर भी नहीं, किधर भी डालो, ये भी हाफ रहेगा, ये भी हाफ रहेगा. Everywhere in the other segment it will be half of the measure of the arc. Okay, that is one thing you should keep in mind before going ahead. And chalo, what more is there in the textbook we will see. Another concept is coming in, that was about inscribed angle. This is about intercepted arc. Intercepted word should be known to you. Why? Because आप लोग टीवी में सब इंग्लिश मूवी सब देखता होगा, या उसमें एक वर्ड बार बार पुलिस इंटरसेप्टेड, पुलिस आके इंटरसेप्ट किया मतलब ब्लॉक किया, रोक दिया, तो इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क इज कमिंग फ्रॉम दैट वर्ड. Look at these figures. There are circles and there are angles and which are creating arc over them. And the arc, there is a point of intersection by the angle on the circle. So intercepted arc means arc is formed by the intersection of angle in a circle. In this case we can see that in this case we can see that what is this, different circles are having different types of angle. In the case of 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, here is an arc, correct? Here there is an arc, the angle is intercepted by that angle, one arc is formed. Here also one arc is formed. But in the case of 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, here is an arc, here is an arc. Understood? Here is an arc, here is an arc. 4th and 5th and 6th, we are having this is an arc, this is an arc. But it is not there in other cases. Two arcs are there. Two arcs are interpreted. Just study, उसके बारे में knowledge ले रहा हूँ. Then we found that in the case of sixth case, here in this diagram, this one, look at this. What is written here? It is understood that the other arm of the angle, that means here in the case of BC, is not touching the circle. वो circle को touch नहीं कर रहे, देखो इधर. That means it is not intercepting. Understood? What basically you have to understand that inscribed angle is there, intercepted arc is there. When we combine both this, the concept of both inscribed angle and the concept of intercepted arc, we can develop a theorem which we name as inscribed angle theorem. What is that? What is that inscribed angle theorem? Angle inscribed and a theorem comes here. Let us see that what the theorem is. The measure of an inscribed angle is half of the measure of the intercepted arcs. यही तो अभी हम कर रहा था, थोड़ा उसको मैथमेटिकली परफेक्ट एंड प्रूव करने जा रहा हूँ. The measure of the angle inscribed measure of the angle inscribed is half of the measure of their intercepted arc. अब ये टेक्स्ट बुक का डायग्राम देखो, जस्ट सी दैट, थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो. इंपॉर्टेंट थियरम डेवलप करने जा रहा हूं, बट नॉट बाय वर्ड्स बट बाय डीड्स. मैं आपको दिखा दिखा के कर रहा हूं इसलिए कि आपको टेक्स्ट बुक की मैटर है. Look at this. Where the arc is, or what is the name of the arc in this case? The arc can be B, D, C. आप सोचते हैं कि E क्यों नहीं लिया? E बाद में आया हुआ है. द आर्क इज BDC. क्या प्रूव करना है? द मेजर ऑफ द इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल, वो ये है, इज हाफ ऑफ द मेजर ऑफ द आर्क, हाफ ऑफ द मेजर ऑफ द आर्क, 1 सेकेंड देखने दो उधर क्या, इंटरसेप्टेड बाय इट. So this intercepted angle, the inscribed angle, is having an arc over here BDC. It will make a angle measure of that arc, which we normally say this is the measure of the arc. What is the measure? From here to the center, then from center. This is the measure. The measure of this particular angle and measure of this particular angle, which is inscribed angle, it will be half. हमने एक्टिविटी में ये देखा और बिलीव भी किया क्योंकि हमने मेजर किया. नाउ ज्योमेट्रिकली कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? फॉर दैट ये कंस्ट्रक्शन, दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन इज फॉर दैट. ये कंस्ट्रक्शन पहले बनाया ताकि it is a bisector like, and we marked this angle as x. If this is x and this is the radius, आप ध्यान से सुनिए, this is the radius, तो अगर ऐसा एक ट्रायंगल है जिसका ये दोनों रेडियस है तो आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल हो गया. whatever be this angle, the same will be this angle. That means this angle is also x, this also x. If that is the case, this angle is 2x. What is that angle? If you consider this as a triangle AOC, उसका exterior angle है ये. This is 2x is exterior angle. अगर exterior angle है तो उसका measure क्या होगा? This plus this, that is 2x. ये सब आपने पढ़ा है, एक्सटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम पढ़ा है. मतलब ये ऐसा हो गया, अगर मैं इसको एक्सटेंड करेंगे किसी भी साइड पे, yeah, in this case it is extended here, so this will be 2x. If I extend here, this will be 2x by exterior angle theorem, remote interior angle theorem. So if that is the case, let me remove the red ink marking over here so that you can see the textual diagram again clean. ठीक. Now if this is accepted by us, this is x, this is x, this is 2x. इतना हमने accept किया. Same way it can happen here. Same way, this will be 2x and this will be x and this will be x. Correct? Now this one total is 4x and this one total is 2x. तो हो गया ना अपना हाफ ऑफ द मेजर. 4x के हाफ है 2x, सो वी कुड प्रूव इट. तो ये कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? इसे माइक में बोल के स्क्रीन में दिखाएंगे? नहीं, प्रूफ आपको लिखना है, लिख के दिखाना पड़ता है. लेकिन प्रूफ के पहले कैसे प्रूव करेगा? दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट इज डन नाउ. कैसे प्रूव करेगा? दिस आर x बिकॉज इक्वल रेडियस isosceles. This is 2s by remote interior angle theorem, by external angle theorem, and the same will be repeated here and you will prove it. But लिखेगा कैसे और लिखने का कैसा है वो आपके टेक्स्ट बुक से आपको समझ के लेना है, और वो आपको मालूम भी. आप पहली बार नहीं है कि ये क्या बोलते हैं लिखने के बाद आ रहे. आप 9th स्टैंडर्ड से ज्योमेट्री पढ़ रहा हो, सो यू नो इट हाउ टू डू इट. चलो, we'll see what is there in the textbook further. This is about what I told. This is that part of the textbook which is talking about. मैंने अभी जो बताया वो उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन है. रेडियस है, रेडियस का बात किया था, दोनों रेडियस है. सिलियस ट्रायंगल हो गया, एक्सटीरियर ट्रायंगल का थ्योरम आ गया. उसके बाद हम एक्सटीरियर एंगल का थ्योरम से we can see that central angle and the angle formed. are having relationship, angle inscribed will be half of it. This can be proved. These steps you should write properly in order to get the marks. Understood? So we will prove that angle BAC is equal to half of the measure of arc BEC or half of the measure of angle BDC. टेक्स्ट बुक ये पार्ट आपको अच्छा से समझ के लेना है. इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल थ्योरम. Okay, so if you are feeling bored or if you are feeling tired by information, you can pause the video here and have a breath, and you can go to the textbook and find out these pages and see that whether you are able to understand. मेरा काम है आपको कंसेप्ट क्लियर करके देना. मैं कर रहा हूँ मेरी तरफ से जितना अच्छा से और सिंपल हो सकता है, और वो भी टेक्स्ट बुक यूज़ करके इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि आपको बार बार देखने से दिमाग में बैठने वाले टॉपिक है वो होने के लिए. ओके, so let me go ahead. The measure of an angle subtended by an arc at a point on the circle is half of the measure of the angle subtended by the arc at the center or measure of the arc. That is the theorem which we just proved. Very important.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.